Alright, so we are back on the ground from the mountain. And Tiffany is back on the hunt for some food. We didn't eat up there. She wanted to come back down here. She's still got Tracy's king crab shack on her mind. So Tracy's king crab and Tiffany apparently did not go over well together.
No, I like crab legs, but for 3 pounds it's $210. I like crab not that much.
Yeah, she said $200? Nope, I'm not eating me any crab today. She said, let's go find a hot dog.
Yes.
So, all right, so much for the king crab shack. We're gonna continue on our journey and see what else we can find instead.
Now, for those that do want to eat there, they do have other stuff. They have crab legs and bisque and stuff like that, or crab cakes, not legs, but yeah, no.
Hello, so you get tours, bus to the glaciers, all kinds of glaciers and whale watching and glacier expresses. So we're gonna walk down, do some, you got the Twisted Fish Alaska Grill and a smokery store, baby. I think they smoke things in there.
Yeah, we're gonna go check it out.
Is it weed?
No, when we were riding the tram down, on the roof it says we give free samples.
Oh, okay. So Tiffany, yeah, look, there's a big sign right there that says we give free samples. Tiffany said, I'm gonna go eat there. So we're heading into the smokery here. I'm guessing they smoke different kinds of seafoods. I'm not sure where. Yeah, I wasn't sure where you were headed, baby.
Well, the door was open right there.
Tiffany said, I saw an open door. I don't care what it is, I'm going in. They might have snacks. I think we were tricked. Oh, there's smoke things. You want some smoked octopus, you said?
No.
Why? How about a stuffed octopus? You can get some smoked king salmon, some smoked salmon, salmon in a can. You can get some bear claws, some gold nugget candy. So Tiffany is stopping for her required port coffee, and today she's going to the Grind Coffee Company. You see a coffee you want, baby? She's studying that menu very, very hard. But they have hot drinks, iced drinks. They do have some food here. They have a sausage breakfast sandwiches, some turkey sandwiches, some wraps, some banana bread, coffee cake, and scones. So they have other things here. But she's here for the coffee. So we're just walking down the street here. Tiffany's kind of peeking in some of the shops. A lot of these shops are like diamonds and jewelry. Things that we definitely do not look for while cruising. Instead, we're trying to look for the local type stores. The jewelry stores are the ones in the perfume places. Always trying to get you to come inside, even here in Alaska, huh, baby?
Yes.
Baby, do you need a fur coat? You can look like one of those movie actresses with your fake fur wrap, or a furkini. I'm gonna have to go with no on the fur bridges. Oh, that's for the Duke. That's called the Duke, I guess. But I think, what do you think, baby? Should you wear a furkini? Can you imagine your furkini on Coco Key? Baby, where are you going? We're not done talking about your furkini yet. It's over there. We have the Red Dog Saloon right there across the street. I think we're gonna keep going up here a little bit more and just see what else Juneau has. We found like a little food court outside area. You can get oysters, champagne, fish tacos, glacier silt soap. You need some soap, baby? They got cocktails, Alaskan beer, internet, games, snacks. There's just all kinds of stuff here. So we're just walking up and down the street, seeing what we can see. You got the Ben Franklin store, souvenirs. We're looking for our Juneau keychain here. That one's got a mountain on it, baby. I think we should go with the mountain.
Okay. Well, you're the one that's supposed to be picking it out.
But we climbed a mountain.
I know. There's a moose too, since you're so
I have not-
interested in kissing the moose.
No, I want you to kiss a moose. I've been trying to get you to kiss a moose. I tell you what, I'll make you a deal. If a live moose comes down the street, I will try to kiss him. How about that? Hmm?
Sure.
You think we could ride him like a horse? All right, so you're gonna go first, right? So my port hunt for the monster continues. Does this one have monsters? But it has Bang and it has purple Bang.
Not the purple you want.
Oh, it doesn't not have purple?
It's got purple guava.
Oh no, we don't want guava. There's some more totem poles. And another totem pole over there. There's totem poles everywhere. There's all different kinds of things over here, babe.
Yeah.
So that is the Heritage Institute right here. They have an exhibit going on. And then up here, so we have totem poles. And some different masks. One over there. Alright, so still walking. Oh, you see the Discovery Princess? There's our cruise ship nose right there, baby. Alright, back over here by the Red Dog. You can get some Red Dog souvenirs. Alright, let's take a look at what the Red Dog's got to eat. Motherlode burger, avalanche burger, brisket sandwich, pork sandwiches, Gold Rush nachos,
Reindeer sandwich,
Klondike ribs. All sounds good.
Let's go.
Alright. Alright, so we're going in the Red Dog Saloon here. Hello. Alright, we're wild folks. Tiffany there, she got herself a big, tall giraffe. Alaskan root beer. You living wild, huh, baby?
We're totally wild.
But they got all kinds of life buoys.
I know what you're laughing at, though. Have you seen each other sitting around the pools on those ships? That's some scary shit right there, buddy. People sitting around the pools in those bikinis made out of depends and shit. That's just wrong. Not what they're made for, you know?
They got all the flags on the roof.
Have a good time in here.
There's a Norwegian. Yeah, fish. There's an upstairs.
Like, I really give a shit where you're from. You're probably never going to see your drunk asses again anyway.
All right, we got some crab cakes, some nachos. Oh, I'm sorry, salmon cakes.
Real good.
Some nachos, brisket nachos, and a burger with some
I
coleslaw.
do appreciate the donations to my cash.
How's your
fund.
salmon cakes?
One more thing here.
Really good.
Really good?
Don't forget.
All right, so we just finished eating lunch at the Red Dog Saloon, and it's just right here on the corner. You can see our ship is just right there.
Oh, look, here's the Red Dog Mercantile. We missed that.
Oh, and the Red Dog Mercantile. Tiffany said, hey, I got another chance to shop. Don't you, baby? Okay.
I'm going over there.
You're going, huh? All right, one little last look here at Juneau before we get ready to head back on board the cruise ship. Of course, you got the public library there. Not much to see in that direction, at least from this side of the building. One more look at the Discovery Princess. And the boardwalk right down through here. Said it's starting to get quieter. People are starting to go back on board the ships. The Majestic Princess has left already. So now it's gotten nice and quiet and peaceful here in Juneau. Well, those ravens are very loud, aren't they?
Yeah.
He's still making a bunch of racket over there.
Oh, he's right there on the metal pole. Straight ahead on the metal pole.
Yeah. You know, the Discovery Princess looked so small when we were on top of the mountain. Now she looks like a giant when we're standing next to her. What you think, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, she looked itty bitty from up top.
Little matchbox ship.
Juneau is officially in the books, done, completed, and it was an awesome day. You know, the whole day has been an awesome day. In the Endicott Arm, it was beautiful, so much beautiful scenery, and then it was beautiful sailing to Juneau, hop off in Juneau. We had a great day in Juneau. I know there's nothing but positive stuff to say so far about Alaska, but I mean, honestly, at the end of the day, it's just been a beautiful, awesome experience. Like I said, we went up to the top of the mountain, great views, had a wonderful hike. You know, the little bit of inconvenience you find here or there is so minor in the grand scheme of how much we've seen and enjoyed this cruise, right?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, did you like today? Did you have fun today?
I had a lot of fun today.
You know, then we went over to the Red Dog Saloon. That place is great. You ever come to Juneau and you want to hang out somewhere? The Red Dog Saloon was fun.
Yes.
The people in there are fun. The place is just decorated with so much memorabilia, and there's even cruise ship memorabilia. There was, you know, the life rings were in there. There were flags. I mean, it was good. I liked it. The food was good too.
Yes.
So the food was good, and you could pay Alaska prices. Stuff's more expensive up here. We've done figured that part out. But I mean, we haven't come across anything bad yet.
No.
So highly, highly recommend Juneau. But we have officially sailed away. We're heading away from Juneau, and our next stop is going to be Skagway tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. is what time we're supposed to be able to get off of the ship. So,
another early morning.
Another early morning. Boy, they do catch up to you pretty quickly, these super early mornings. I said that I get up early, but these get up and go early mornings, they definitely catch up with you. You just randomly looking out the window while we're talking. You're like,
there's a mountain.
Squirrel. What, Tiffany? What are you doing? You're like looking out the window.
There's a mountain, and I'm seeing the waterfall.
She's like, I see a mountain and a waterfall, so I'm occupied. Well, you know what? I get it. So we're going to get off of here so we can look at a mountain and a waterfall. But I hope everybody has enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It's free to do so. Helps the channel out. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always,
we'll see you out on the high seas.